Ready, start. In Rubabuddin Sheikh versus State of Gujarat, it has been concluded by the court that in an appropriate case when the court feels that the investigation by the police authorities is not in the proper direction, and in order to do complete justice in the case when the high profile officials are involved in the crime, it is always open to the court to hand over the investigation to an independent agency like CBI. Full stop. It may be noted that constitutional courts can even direct for further investigation by some other investigating agency to ensure completion of fair investigation and fair trial. Full stop. In KV Rajendran versus CBCID, it has been observed that where high officials of the state authorities are involved or the accusation itself is against the top officials of the investigating agency who may probably influence the investigation, and where the investigation is bound to be tainted, to instill confidence in the investigation, the constitutional courts ought not to be shy in exercising power of transferring an investigation from the state agency to any other independent agency like CBI. Full stop. It is well recognized that investigations should not only be credible but also appear to be credible. Wide RS Sodhi versus State of UP. Full stop. Even otherwise, the law requires that justice may not only be done, but it must appear to have been done. Full stop. Thus, following the above dictum, to ensure a fair investigation in the matter, there appears to be weight in the argument of the learned counsel for the petitioner to transfer the investigation in relation to the two FIRs to an independent agency, more particularly keeping in mind the factual background and circumstances of the case. Full stop. It is admitted on record that the investigation in pursuance of the two FIRs is at a nascent stage and that it had not proceeded any further, due to the interim order dated 13/1/2021, till date. Full stop. Therefore, it is but natural to get the investigation completed at the earliest. Full stop. The primary object is to ensure fair completion of the investigation so that, if necessary, the trial may proceed. Full stop. The matter of entrusting investigation to a particular agency is basically at the discretion of the court, which has to be exercised on sound legal principles. Full stop. Therefore, the presence of complainant/informants are not very necessary before the court. Full stop. We do not feel that any prejudice would be caused to either of the parties if the investigation is conducted by an independent agency other than the state police. Full stop. Thus, looking to the facts of this case particularly, that the respondent number 7 is a parliamentarian from the ruling party in the state of West Bengal and that the petitioner belongs to the ruling party at the center, the politically charged atmosphere in the state of West Bengal may not be very conducive to a fair investigation being conducted in the instant case. Full stop. It is, hence, considered appropriate that instead of keeping the investigation pending for an indefinite period, the investigation be transferred to the CBI. Full stop.